Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be doing a test positional hold in the dark. So right now we've got a bright light shining. We're going to switch that light off and we're going to run this copter in the dark, Poshold. There is no GPS. This is a GPS unit, but it's disconnected, so it's forced to use the optical unit, which is this thing right here. Now to help it in the dark, because the optical unit can't see in the dark, we use an LED, which is this thing here. So let's see if this thing works. It was working earlier. Let's see if it works now. Okay, so the way that I'm going to do this is obviously I'm going to have to show you that this is not manually controlling the copter. I'm going to try and stick this out, but you probably won't see it because it will be so dark, but anyway, we'll try. So we're going to launch an alt hold and then we're going to put it in pos hold, which is then going to use the optical flow unit. Okay, it's an alt hold now. It's alt hold. Now it's in pos hold. This is now pos hold. You can see it's moving left, right, it is moving around, the wind is blowing it around, but it is holding. There is some wind. There is some wind that is blowing around, you're seeing it. Okay, that's the end of test. I'm going to bring it back into alt hold now.